Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 3, we have x squared and x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one because we still have about s squared, so we need to put number 3 go to the left. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S squared we change by u minus 3. S ds we change by du over number 2. Now, I will put number 5 go outside. So, u divided by u, we have number 1. 3 divided by u, we keep about same. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of 3 over u, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of u. And then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.